Okay guys, today we're gonna do gearbox seals, 820. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me just get the close up for you. You can see it's wet, so it's leaking. So we're gonna change this guy here. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to do it. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the steering arm. Okay guys, this has to come out, and then we're gonna drop the lower control arm. And then we can take out this bolt, but we're first going to loosen this bolt. And then we're going to take out the steering arm and the lower control arm bolt. Okay, then we can pull it back. Okay guys, we're going to take off the center with the CV joint nut, and take out the split pin before we loosen that nut. Okay guys. See guys, then you need a side cut to take out the split pin. Okay guys, like this one. Yep, okay. Like this in the brake disc. Okay, and put it at the bottom. Okay, but you're gonna loosen it, so it's gonna go this way. Normally use a power bar, but I'm gonna use an impact drill today and see if it comes loose. Okay, it's off. Okay guys, now what you want to do is you want to turn the steering. I'm gonna take out this guy here, the steering arm. Okay, I'm gonna take out the split pin on that. Okay, so it isn't too bad. Come on. Okay, it's out. Oh, by the way, that center nut, it was a 32 socket. Okay, it's a 17 socket. Okay, you want to leave that nut on there. We're going to take a hammer. We're going to hit it on this joint, okay, to pop it loose. Okay, so what you do is you hit it right here. Okay guys, you got to keep on knocking it. There we go. It's loose, it's dropped. Okay, take your nut off. There you go. That's out the way. Okay guys, so the next thing you want to do is loosen this nut on top, okay, from the lower control arm. Yeah, you're going to loosen that nut up quick. Okay, it's like a 19A spun up. Okay, my mistake, just leave that in there as long. Okay, because I need to loosen it, I need to keep it steady, so when I do pull it, okay, it's loose guys. Okay, next thing you want to do exactly the same thing, knock it on the joint like I showed you with the steering arm. Okay, okay, it's loose guys. As you can see, I'm using a lever bar. Okay, I'm going to take off this guy completely, like that. Okay guys, that's it. Take this one out. Okay, get guy drop. Okay. Okay, it's out now. Lower control arm. Okay, what you want to do next, see if you can knock back that guy. So what I normally do, I turn it the other way around. Okay. Okay, that's all you do, guys. Alright, now that one's loose, we're gonna pop this guy out. Make sure you got something to catch your oil. Okay, because it's gonna want to leak. Okay, guys. So what I normally do is take a lever bar, as you guys can see, put it in there, and I yank it back. See, it's out now. Okay. So all you need to do now, take the whole CV out, your CV arm and that out, to get that seal out there. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. You can see the CV is out now. Now we can get to that seal. Okay, guys. As you guys can see, it's out. Okay, here's the other one, the old one. Yeah. Okay, it's out now. The old one from there. So all you need to do to get it out. I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys because I needed both hands to do this. Just take a lever bar. You put it behind that seal. Okay, and you push it out. Okay, so you put it behind the seal and push it out. That's all you need to do to get it out. Okay, guys. Okay, so let's put the new one in and see how that goes. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Got the new seal here. Okay, this is the old seal. Okay. You always want to keep the same diameter. Okay, so that's from there, like this. And see, yeah, they look the same. Okay, so now we're gonna put this seal back in, the new one. Okay. Okay, guys, you guys can see it's in. So I just use the normal pole spacer socket kind of a thing to line it up, and then you knock it on with that. Okay, guys, before I put the CV into there, I put silicone grease on there. Okay, this stuff is good for seals and stuff. As you guys can see, silicone grease. This is the stuff I use to put on seals and stuff. Okay, so I'm going to apply a little bit into that seal inside here. Okay, I'll show you guys now. So what I do is I go in here and I put some in there. Okay, there is some seals where you do not have to apply this because they say you're going to put it in dry, so always read your seal manufacturer orders, because they will tell you if you need to put on grease or anything on there. Okay, that's just to make it slide in better, guys. Okay, so that's it, and now we put in the CV, and then yeah. Okay, guys, so the CV joint is in now. Okay, all you have to do with the CV joint is just push it in. It's got a clip on the end of the shaft. You just clip it in, you'll hear it go click, then you know it's in. Okay, guys, that's all you need to do with this. It's just push it in, and if you hear that click, you know it's all the way. Okay, so yeah. Okay, let's assemble the side of it now. Put all the other stuff on, like the steering arm and the lower control arm, and then yeah. Okay, guys. Okay, so now guys, now we're gonna put the CV joint into the brake disc. Okay, into the bearing of this thing, and then yeah, then we're almost there, finishing up this side, and then yeah. I also apply some silicone grease on the thread of the CV. Okay, so the rinse is up in there. So for the next person to take it out, you won't have a problem taking it out. It won't get stuck in there. Okay, guys? That's what I always do. Get some greases in here. Okay. Now you pull it back. Line that one up. There you go. Zoom down. Okay, now you want to take a lever bar. Okay guys, now we got the lower control on. Okay, you need a leverage bar to push it down to get it in. Okay, once it's in, you're going to take your nut. Okay, you're going to put it on. Take a 19 spanner, tighten it down. And tighten it tight. Okay guys. Okay, once that's on, turn the wheel, put your steering arm on. Okay, there you go. Take the nut. Do not take your impact roll to tighten it down, okay guys? You can pull it down, but don't tighten it down. Do it with your hands. Okay, that's it. You take a spanner and tighten it down. Okay guys, once that's done, you want to put your split pins back in. I think I might have to get new ones. Then you want to put your center nut on. Okay. Okay, what you're going to do, you want to take your power bar. Okay, put it in there. Okay, take your socket. That's tight enough guys. Just to double check it. Put your split pin in. Okay guys. Hammer. Knock the pin back. Okay guys. And that's it. So we'll tighten up now. Okay. Next is you gotta just put your wheel on. And then you're done with your seal. Okay, I hope this helped you guys out. Leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe, please. And yeah, okay guys, after you put your seals in and stuff, recheck your oil. The filler plug is right here. I'll show you now. Filler plug is right here to fill up the oil of the gearbox. Check your level again, but make sure you get the right oil for your gearbox. Check out the manufacturer for this oil, and then you'll know what oil to put in here. Okay guys, see you guys in the next one. Bye.